You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this bird, one of the most confusing bird names I've seen. If you want to learn more bird names, animal names, vocabulary in English that is confusing, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Gouldian, that's your English pronunciation here. Gouldian Finch, how to pronounce in English. English pronunciation, British English and American English pronunciations. Gouldian Finch, not fish, Finch. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.